My vegetarian japchae, Korean stir-fry glass noodles, can be one of your go-to meals at any time of the day. It is cooked with colorful and vibrant veggies with a sweet and savory sauce, and it takes less than 20 minutes to make. First, let's prepare the sauce. In a bowl, adding 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, half tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it well and set it aside. Next, you will need 100 grams of Korean sweet potato noodles. It's also called glass noodles. Now, let's boil a pot of water, adding the noodles, and cook the noodles for 8 to 10 minutes according to the package instructions. After it's cooked, the noodles will look transparent in color. Then drain the noodles and rinse with cold water for about 30 seconds. This step will help the noodles to keep a chewy texture. The glass noodles are normally pretty long. Now use a pair of scissors to give the noodles a few cuts. And set the noodles aside. Next, in a wok, adding 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil on medium-high heat. First, adding 1 small sliced onion. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes until a bit softened. Then adding 3 large garlic cloves that are nicely chopped and cook for about a minute. Next, adding 50 grams of carrot that is julienne and half a sliced red bell pepper. Cook for 3 minutes until they are nicely soft. Then adding 100 grams of dried tofu that are cut in strips. Cook for another minute or 2. Next, adding 4 sliced shiitake mushrooms and 60 grams of baby spinach. It is important that you leave the steams on and avoid using frozen spinach. Toss well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Look how colorful it is. Now turn the heat down to low and adding the glass noodles, the pre-made sauce, and 2 chopped green onions. Combine everything well. Look how beautiful and glossy the noodles look. I can't wait to taste it. Now transfer to a serving bowl. Garnish with some extra chopped green onions, toasted sesame seeds, and some chili flakes. It's ready to enjoy. My glossy vegetarian japchae is a quick go-to meal. It features shiny, springy noodles and colorful veggies with a sweet and savory sauce. It is healthy and tastes super delicious. I hope you can give it a try. If you like my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!